What are those?
Egg.
Yeah, you want to put them in your basket? Oh, cool. Put them in your basket.
Wow.
Wow. Can you find some more eggs?
Duck.
It's a duck.
It's it. You're right.
Emmy, there's more eggs. Emmy, look it over there. Look on the floor. Right there.
Mm. Oh, wow.
Wow. Can you put them in your basket?
More, Mama. There's like more.
You see more?
They're shaking.
Look.
Wow. A bunny.
Cool. Is he hopping?
Look, more eggs, Mama.
Yeah.
Oh. I got an egg.
Cool.
Daddy?
Good job.
Ooh, what's that?
It's a bunny. It's a bunny rabbit.
Yeah, I see some more eggs. Is he hopping?
Yes. Look together.
Yeah, guess what that is?
What is that?
It's a jump rope.
It's a jump rope.
What's over there? Emmy, look over there.
Oh, eggs more. What is that? Eggs? What? What is that?
What is that?
Candy. Eggs, candy, and egg.
Ooh.
Oh, fun.
Look at those.
Mm-hmm.
Yummy.
Look at those. They're coming out.
Is there something in it?
Look at those. Look at those, Mama.
Yeah.
Look at those. It's like some more.
Ooh. I don't know if we should dump all the candy out, huh?
That was the candy. Look at all.
Now you can pick all the candy up.
Yeah, pick up
Put
the
it in your
candy.
basket.
Put it in the, yeah.
Oh. Look.
Is it a little egg?
Mm.
You like it?
Yeah.
And smile.
Smile. You want to sit down on our lap? Can you pick up the rest of the candy? Put it back in your basket? Okay.
Look. Open that.
Smile. Smile, Emmy. Say cheese.
Fish.
Okay. What is this, Em? What's this?
I don't know.
A jump rope.
Don't eat all the candy. You gotta save it for later.
You want to try this jump rope?
No, no more.
That's enough. Okay?
Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome. Can you try and jump rope? Woohoo! Hold on to both hands.
What you looking at?
There you go.
Are you zoning out because you just woke up?
It's yummy, yummy.
Mm-hmm.
What is that, Daddy?
It's a peep.
No, this is a dick.
Oh, okay.
Turn it on. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Yes, it's yummy, yummy.
You want me to hold your jump rope?
Okay.
You want to try a jump rope?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Hold it like that. Maybe hold it like that. One in each hand.
It's like eggs on it.
Yeah, very good.
Look at those, Mom. Look at those.
I see them all. You need to pick them up? Put them in your basket?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to put it on.
You gotta put them in your basket, not in your mouth. That's okay. That's just the grass from your basket. Is there a book in there?
See a book?
You like those peeps?
What wants it? Yeah?
No thanks. You can put it back in your basket.
Happy Easter, Emmy.
Put that in your basket. What did... Show us a book.
Show us some other stuff in your basket. Do you see a little chicken?
What else did the bunny bring you?
Look.
Mm-hmm. It's a book. Coloring book.
Coloring book.
You got colors in there, too.
They're colored.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what else there is, Emmy. What's this? It talks to you.
Mama, a chicken.
Yeah.
It's like the rabbit.
Aw,
It's so cute.
he is cute. What's that?
Those jelly beans in there?
Yes. Look. Chicken.
Yeah.
Just the blue one.
What else is there? What's that?